Hello viewers, dear students, my name is Rafi. I am lecturer in zoology subject. My YouTube channel is Rafi's Lectures. You can share and subscribe. Today's my topic is male reproductive system in human beings. Class 12 students. The male reproductive system consists of following organs. First organ is the testes, in a pair of testes. Second is the urethra. Third is the penis. Fourth is the vasa deferentia. And fifth is the epididymis. And other accessory glands, that is the seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and corporous glands. So, male reproductive system consists of these organs, pair of testes, and the penis, epididymis, vasa deferentia, and the urethra, and the accessory or secondary genital glands. First we describe the first organ, testes. You all know that there are two testes present in the man, present in the human. Testes. They are the cytogenic organ. Testes are the cytogenic organ. It is the cytogenic organ, the primary sex organ of male, or the pair of testes, The testes, each testes is enclosed by a thick fibrous covering called scrotum. And each testis is enclosed by a thick fibrous covering which lie within the cecum. The scrotum. The scrotum is a thin small bag. It is a thin small bag, extended cecum. The testes, or we say the testes remain inside a sac. Testes remains inside the sac called the scrotum. Which hangs out from the abdomen. The function of the scrotum is to keep the testes cool. The function of the scrotum is to keep the testes cool, about 3 degrees centigrade. The function of the scrotum is to keep the testes cool, about 3 degrees. A temperature of 3 degrees lower than that of the body is necessary for the sperm develop. We can say undescended testes led us to sterility, as spermatozoa cannot be developed. So, in adults, if you go in adult, each testis is oval shaped. In adult body, each testis is oval shaped. Oval in shape, with length of 4.5 centimeters. With length of 4 points and width of about 2 to 3 centimeters. In the width is 2 to 3 centimeters. The testis is covered by dense covering. It is covered by the dense covering. Testis is covered by a dense covering. Each testis has about 250 compartments. 250 compartments called the testicular lobules. call it the testicular lobule. And each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous lobules in which sperm are produced. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by 2 types of cells. 2 types of cells called the male germ cells, spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells. The male germ cell undergo meiotic division, finally leading to sperm formation, while the Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. The region outside the seminiferous tubules, called the interstitial spaces, containing the small blood vessels. And interstitial cells are Leydig cells. Leydig cells can synthesize and secrete testicular hormone called the androgens. And other immunological components, cells are also present. If you go for function of the testes, testes are involved in the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperm. Testes produce the sperm. And testes are involved in the spermatogenesis and secretion of the testosterone. Testosterone. These are the functions of the testes. Now we go for the second male reproductive organ of human beings, or the penis. You all know that penis is muscular copulation organ used to deposit the sperm within the reproductive tract of male. It is muscular copulative organ and used to deposit the sperm within the reproductive tract of female. Are we saying that penis serves the transmit of the sperm into the vagina of female during the sexual intercourse or sexual contact? The penis is male external genitalia. It is a male external genitalia. It is made up of special tissue that help us in erection of penis. When penis get erected, help us in erection of penis to facilitate the insemination. The enlarged end of penis, called the gland penis. Penis is covered by loose folds of skin, called the foreskin. The thickness of the penis is soft and highly sensitive and is soft and highly sensitive. The thickness of the penis is soft and highly sensitive. Urethra runs through it centrally and serves as the common passage for urine and semen. During the sexual excitement, the spawny tissue gets filled up with the blood, making it erect and stiff. So this is the penis. Now another organ is the epididymis. This is the second male reproductive organ. It is a long, highly coiled tube. Long and highly coiled tube which remain attached to the testes. It remains attached to our testes. and lies within the scrotal sac, and lies within the scrotal sac. It lies within the scrotal sac. Epididymis store the spermatozoa, sperms, and serves as the passage for their transport from the testes. So, another organ is the vasa differentia or difference. This is the another male reproductive organ or sperm duct. It is called the sperm duct also. Sperm duct. You all know that this is a straight tube. In a vasa deferens is a straight tube. It is a straight tube about 40 centimeter long, which carries sperms. Most of the sperms are stored in vasa deferens. Most of the sperms are stored in the vasa deferens. So this another organ is the urethra, and the male reproductive organ is the urethra. Male urethra is known as urinogenital duct. It arises from the urinary bladder and joins the ejaculatory duct to form urinogenital canal as it carries urine, sperms. It carries urine and sperms and secretion of seminal vesicles. Prostate and corpus gland possesses through penis and is differentiated in the prostatic part 2.5 centimeter and membranous part 2.5 centimeter and penile part. It finally opens at the tip of penis as urethra did. If you go for function of the urethra, conduction of sperm, secretion of acidic reproductive glands and urine. Now, under organs or acidic glands. Acidic glands or secondary genital glands or secondary genital glands. Acidic glands and secondary genital glands. First is the seminal vesicles, prostate glands. First we will describe the seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles, a pair of seminal vesicles are present at the base of the urinary bladder. The seminal vesicle are present at the base of the urinary bladder. The seminal vesicle stores sperm. It stores the sperms that descend from the testes and secrete seminal fluid. The seminal fluid is viscous fluid which provides nourishment to the sperms. The secretion forms about 40 to 80%. Secretion forms about 40 to 80% of the ejaculate semen thrown out of the penis. So this is the seminal vesicle. Another organ is the prostate gland. You all know that prostate gland it is many lobed glands situated around upper part of the urethra, produce a wide secretion rich in enzymes, phosphates and some nutrients. It also contains the sperm coagulants. Another organ is the Cooper's glands. Copper's glands. These are paired glands that lie below the prostate gland, below the prostate, and join the urethra at the short distance. And from that of the prostate gland. Copper's glands secrete a white viscous alkaline secretion resembling mucus, which acts as the lubricant. These are the main reproductive system of human beings, which I had described here. Thank you all.